What a baddie, yes, what a baddie. Baddie. That's where we are. Say hi to the vlog. For real. Hi.
The next day.
I just woke up. It's currently 8:21 in the morning. I'm gonna go shower and have breakfast and then decide what to do about my day. I have afternoon class today, so it's chill for me.
I want dreams, be this way. All the boys out here the same.
Now I'll have breakfast, and this is the fit. I had my breakfast and then I came to the room. I forgot to film my breakfast, but I'm gonna go to hospital right now because one of my friends is having a really bad jaw pain, so I'm just gonna accompany him.
This is a jawbreaker photo.
Jaw what?
Jawbreaker.
Yes, who has a surgical and he's scared of needles. He's scared of needles. Back from the hospital and I got a few gifts from my friend because it was my birthday a few days back. So I'm gonna open them right now. Yeah. I have a mess to clear up, but this is so cute. This is generally the cutest thing, and I'm so happy right now. Almost 12:15 now. I'm gonna go have lunch because I have class at 1 and the mess gets really crowded at 12:30. And I'm taking my umbrella because it's really sunny outside, as you can see. So I'll see you in class. Bye bye.
मेरे को ये मिला है गिफ्ट में
YouTuber.
Come.
मुझे मीठा बोला के
नाइस मतलब ये हो गया ठीक है
मीठा नहीं
भाई सब कुछ लॉक करना बंद
In class. Veera, Veera, Veera. Camera ऐसे. She's like peace sign throw कर देती है bro. What the fuck?
like see you need to understand I'm like a cat on camera so I'm just gonna freeze and not look at the camera and look
You
at
are talking to the camera
yeah,
right
but
now.
like I'm so talking camera guys
Welcome back. Welcome to the YouTube channel. आवारा गड्डी. Where is Arya? ओए. क्लास खत्म.
we did not understand anything he taught and
Oh
we
yeah,
forgot ECA
this
also
please.
I'm sorry
It was not it. We need time to recover.
everything has been forgotten
See, the The teacher is nice. The subject isn't.
Teacher is fabulous.
The teacher is भगवान से भेजा हुआ आलू.
Exactly.
Devanus.
Yeah, but the subject isn't. Yeah.
Subject is shit. Narak. SLCM 2.0.
I was just chilling in my room now. I have to go robo workshop student project, and I'm late.
You know, all of research is in block 15. अच्छा तू record कर रही है क्या?
रोबो खत्म guys. रोबो खत्म.
Guys, हमेशा मेरी गलती होती है. I'm the always at fault.
Any comments?
सीजी नहीं आ रही.
You have to agree to the fact.
सीजी नहीं आ रही.
Oh, us हो गया थोड़ा. Yeah. We'll get.
Guys, see, I'm the best, hottest looking guy in the campus. But guess what? मेरी बंदी नहीं है. I'm like single guys.
कौन बनेगी इसकी बंदी?
कौन बनेगा इसकी बंदी? Guys, come. पता है मुझे क्या करना आता है? कुछ नहीं. I'm a failure, guys. Guys, I'm a serious failure. Yeah. Oh, moon. Guys, moon. My doctor as well.
Hello. Hello.
I walked so fast. I can feel it tingling in my butt.
2 of classes. Kill me already.
I was late.
नहीं मतलब अभी क्लास नहीं तो क्या ही करेंगे.
Class नहीं है.
हमारे क्लास वाले भी
अरे
गायब है.
बाहर गए. They went. I mean, I saw Vaishnavi fuck off, so like.
Vaishnu?
Yeah, I mean like they went that way.
Oh, I thought you said I saw Vaishnavi. My day went fuck off.
No, I saw them go there.
But our class got cancelled. नहीं. हाँ,
नहीं
cancelled.
तो क्या?
हम assume करके चल रहे cancel है.
Yeah.
बच्चे अगर होगी तो क्या करेंगे?
नहीं होगी.
क्या ही फायदा होगा भाई क्लास तो है ही नहीं.
क्या वो सर लीव पे हैं?
हाँ जी.
I need to see this guy's face. I need to figure out why people don't like him.
Oh, I saw his face. I don't know.
Who doesn't like who?
A lot of people had like his own psychological, psychotic.
हाँ. Even I've heard like.
I'll beep the
उसको
name.
बीच में कुछ हो जाता है.
I'll beep the name.
Beep.
Say hi.
She came up with the.
You, not the Korean hearts. Back with the gang. Miss. She's struggling now. Bottle is struggling. My class got over right now. My lab got over right now. It was ass, as always.
I won't be coming to Robo Manipal for 7 days. I'm happy. Won't be able to see some days. My teeth.
Before.
Before.
Show your teeth, eat.
I'm cooked. It's raining.
Surviving the surgery.
I feel alive. I'm alive, okay? You know, but my cheek is now like gone. It's totally gone like my CG, bro.
Just came back from the workshop. I will change and then I'll study and sleep. I didn't do much. It was a very hectic day. I had a full day, and after the full day, I had to assist my friend to his dental surgery, and then I went to the workshop. I did the stuff. I did the calm. It was nothing interesting. As I am now back in my room, and the dinner was ass today. Even the lunch was ass. Not gonna lie. So I ate only a few. I think I'll be hungry at night, so I'll maybe order something. I have snacks though, so I'll probably eat like that. We'll see. And I'm gonna change into my night suit, freshen up a bit, and then work a bit. Fit for today. Currently 9. I woke up at 8. I have classes at 1, so I'm gonna go have breakfast first and then come back and talk to my parents for a bit. This is the fit. Peace out. Hi.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yeah. Oh,
Bro is taking the ownership.
it's fine. 50% partnership.
Yeah.
What is 100 divided by 3, guys? You're a part of me. Oh, that's what a toxic 25, man 25. Shut up. 25, toxic 25. Man. Uska idea hai na?
In no
Okay,
way she
fine.
called you a toxic man,
She
bro.
always calls me a toxic man.
Oh, so you are a toxic man.
Yeah, obviously. What do you mean?
Why are you a toxic man? Why not a woman? Why do you want to be a man?
Yeah.
That's like
Fragile femininity. Fragile femininity.
Be hydrated, guys. It's required in life.
whatever she said.
I designed the web page with the layout, and they don't know I made it on my own. So I have to show what I did, and it's just the team. It's not like the board or anything.
Like, farak kya pata, even if you did use AI, it's at the end of the day.
No, they want a product to build right now.
Yeah, that's what.
My thing was I wanted to make it on my own because I want to be on the board. So I'm trying to kiss this one senior's ass like really hard because he's from Pune and he's also Marathi.
Damn.
So I have agenda here. I want him to give me his place. I want to be the electronics head in IEEE SBM.
Oh, I'm in EMS. EMBS.
EMBS.
Yeah. They're rival, I guess.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
It's fine.
They bitch about each other.
Koi nahi. I won't be rival with you.
You
Locked
will
in.
never be. Yes.
Locked in.
Locked in. Twin.
Twinning.
Wait. Bol.
India wants to know. At the end of the day, it is
Night. See, ऐसे नहीं. Who is Glenn?
close to divine.
How do you know?
That's like that's
Why
how
do
I
you
got to
know?
know them.
Why do you know everyone?
I know a lot of people from today.
I think मुझे आज जाना पड़ेगा. Bye bye. Stuck with you.
Own shade.
Secured the package. I feel like मेरे सारे ब्लॉग्स में तू ही और आर्या ही है. प्रतीक्षा तो आती नहीं है
I
class.
need screen time. I
Yeah.
need to be famous.
Yeah, she's my manager, guys.
Low key.
Yeah, Loki.
Unpaid manager room hai.
Yeah, I'll pay her when I get more money.
Yeah, like 50 rupees.
No, if I get 100 rupees, I'll pay 50. I'm that kind.
Yeah, I just need to be famous. I need to punch that.
Yeah.
Oh, please beep out that word. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be saying it. मुझे cancel मत कर दो please. Please.
Oh,
मुझे cancel
by the way, her name. Krish, how does it feel?
Taste of betrayal.
सेम चीज जो मेरे को फील हुई थी.
किस चीज के लिए?
Secret is secret.
Okay. इसका ChatGPT prompt आ रहा है. Nice.
सेंसर ग्रुप बनाने का कब प्लान?
संजय.
मैंने
It's fine.
मैंने देखो ऐड कर रखा है टीम में ऐड कर रखा है फॉर्मवर्ड में. मैं सोच रहा था 5 मिनट मैच 10
Couple fine. अरे कंटेंट
कहता हूँ 1 सेकंड का. वो मैं फ्रेंड जाता.
क्या बकचोदी करते रहते
ओ
हो.
डीएल.
टीएल. चलो खाने. You are not coming in the golden hour.
मेरे को दिख भी नहीं रहा कुछ. मेरी आंखें नहीं खुल.
She wore lenses for the first time today.
I mean, first time here. I've had them for a very long time.
See, show.
India wants to know. At the end of the day, it's
Night. The shit we do in class. Class khatam. Hello.
Worst professor ever.
Real bro. Meera. Class is over. Let's go. Half day tha mera. Off to Robo. You know what I have in my hand? Wait. Green tea. Health conscious.
This looks like New Zealand ka jersey, which I like very much.
Acha.
Robo Manipal cricket team.
What? Nihar what?
Kamal Nihar.
Harami sir.
नहीं यार वो बात नहीं no proper बोल ना you भाई
What did you eat?
Dorito.
Back in my room. I'm gonna go take a shower and relax. I have a full day tomorrow.
bad for EM.
Finished with the lab. Chocos. It's too sunny. Hi. What's up? Ardo nahi hai. Late. Nandita. Hello. Hello. Serving face.
But not serving intelligence in classes.
Not serving what?
Intelligence in classes.
Oh, उसके लिए होना भी तो चाहिए. क्लास खत्म.
मजा आया.
भाई शुरू करते ही बाय बोल दिया. ओके वेल डन.
I do not consent to this. I absolutely do not consent to this.
Hi Vibhur. और लॉस. उसको फर्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा.
जानता है ना असली नहीं असली लोगों पे पता चलेगा.
Good morning, guys. सुबह गाली गलौज कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
सुबह सुबह power electronics. Saturday morning. Power
It
electronics.
doesn't even feel like a Saturday once you come to college.
For real.
It's just not a weekend anymore. It's a weekday.
It's like if you have working Saturdays, then it's ass. But if your Saturdays are off, then I'm jealous of you.
Yeah, you don't deserve it.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
yeah. I'm sorry. No, I'm not sorry.
I am.
I'm not sorry. Don't subscribe. Oh, sorry. Don't unsubscribe. I said don't subscribe. Snacks क्यों? इसी पे जी रहे हैं हम. जी बहुत गरीब है और भीड़ भी बहुत है. Oh, serving face card. At the end of the day,
It's night. Remind yourself that every day. Motivate yourself by reminding yourself that at the end of every day, it's night.
and that you will get to sleep.